In the vast, azure ocean, a gentle giant swam. A whale shark named Wally, known far and wide. With a heart as big as his body, he was admired by all who saw. One day, Wally found a tiny crab named Cricket lost at sea. Adrift and helpless, Cricket cried in despair. "Oh, Wally, please, help me find my way back to shore." Wally, with his wise and compassionate gaze, replied, "Fear not, little Cricket, I will guide you home. But first, let's learn a valuable lesson on life's ebb and flow." "You see, Cricket," Wally began, "the sea is vast and wide, filled with beauty, danger, and surprises, just like life. But we must not let fear hold us back, or we'll never truly thrive. In life, as in the sea, we must adapt and learn. Embrace change and face our fears. For only then can we grow and find our way, like I did." With Wally's words ringing in her ears, Cricket felt a surge of hope. And, together, they journeyed through the ocean's depth, learning from each challenge, growing with each stroke. As they neared the shore, Cricket turned to Wally with a grateful smile. "Thank you, Wally, for your wisdom and your kindness. Your story will stay with me, always, as I build a life worthwhile." And so, the tale of Wally and Cricket spread. A reminder to all who heard, big or small, to face life's challenges with courage, wisdom, and a heart that will never stall.